vertical center, another ray parallel to principal axis. It will, after refraction, it will pass through F2. Now here rays, both rays are intersecting, so therefore image will form here. Is it? Third ray also you may draw same way. Now what are the characteristics of the image? First, image is real. Second, inverted. These two common for all cases we have seen up to this. And here what happened? Image is enlarged. Enlarged, or you may write magnified. Image is enlarged or magnified. And it may form beyond what? The 2f on the other side of the lens. Next, at principal focus, that is at f1, object is at f1, F for f1. Then again we will draw principal axis, center line of the lens, because refraction will show from the center line of the lens. Bending of lights, all will show from the center line of the lens. Mark again f1 to f1, f2 to f2. Optic center. Object is here. A, B. One ray will be pass through the optic center. Another ray will be parallel to principal axis, and it will also now, in this case, ray will appear after refraction, will appear parallel. They will appear to meet at infinity. They will appear to meet at infinity. Again here what happened? Image is real, inverted, formed at infinity, but image will be so large that it will not be captured by our eye. Yes, so that we can say image is highly magnified or highly enlarged. Highly magnified or highly enlarged. and it is forming at infinity, very, very far. Now next, object in between lens and focus, or optical center and focus. Number 6. Between the lens and F. In place of F, lens, you can write optic center, and focus. Draw the principal axis, central line of the lens, F1 to F1, F2 to F2. Object is, say, kept here. A, B. One ray will be through the optic center, another ray parallel to principal axis, now here you see the rays are appearing what? Diverging. Rays are diverging. If we'll keep our eye here, then what happened? These rays will appear that they are coming from a point. If we'll produce these rays in backward direction, it will appear they are meeting at a point. Okay. Now they are appearing to meet. Here we are producing backward direction, the rays. So here image will form virtual. Is it? Image will form virtual. A dash, B dash. Now, then mark the lens. Now here you see, here I have marked image by dotted line. But in other cases, in all cases I have marked by continuous line. Okay, so therefore real images will be marked by continuous line, real rays will be marked by continuous line, whereas the virtual rays or imaginary rays, imaginary image, all will be marked by dotted line, broken line. Keep in mind. Okay, now arrowhead must be there. Arrowhead is showing image is upright or inverted. Keep in mind. Now, here image you see I have marked by dotted line so that image is virtual. So what are the characteristics of the image? Number 1, image is virtual. Number 2, image is erect or upright. Erect or upright. Number 3. Image is enlarged. It is, see, the bigger than the object. Enlarged or magnified. Number 3, form in the same side of the object. Obviously behind the object, but which side object we kept, that side it will form. Now next,